Does PHP have an equivalent to Python's OR? Python has a nice OR doc method that returns true if all elements in an iterable are true, which is equivalent to. Is there a similarly nice way to do this in PHP?
Closest to it may be array_filter. If no true element are found, it will return empty array that evaluates to false. On the second thought, it's more like Python's any. To emulate all you will need if array_filter $array equals $array, or even if array_filter $array equals $array and $array, to exclude empty array.
There's no such function, but you can achieve the same effect with